tired of high, sick of my time, working on your lips after sipping on some wine. Faithful conversation, you ain't hesitating. Think it's getting comfortable, that right in there's some places. Oh, I like when you pull on my hair. I like when you got none away. Baby, the way you make me move, call this a lovely drunk affair. Hey, 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 sessions elevating. You think it's the only time that, baby, I'm playing. Caught up in the trance, baby, where you go? Rendezvous. You like being top, got your focus on some better view. Know it's true, loving you. Body built so bulletproof. Got my hands searching for some places that be new to you, new to you. Yeah, what more can I say? Picture you every day. Pull up to the crib, baby, underlay. I like when you pull on my head. I like when you got none away. Baby, the way you make me move, call this a lovely drunk affair. Hey, 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 hey.
So our bartender, Nina, she's the best. She gave us free drinks.
Come to Vietnam and try to the sea.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You got me falling like no other way.
Thank you so much. Thank you for taking care of us. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I've been waiting for so long. Sure, I got my issues, but please don't tell me they're just issues. I'll hit you up on a better day. I'll call you when it's cold and I wanna play, but please don't ask me what it is that I wanna say. It's not anything that you could obtain, 'cause I'm a pussy ass bitch on a good day. Don't fuck on my vibes on a Monday. Got too many things that I could say, can mess it up. I don't wanna love, just wanna touch. Am I too much for you? I've been waiting for so long. Sure, I got my issues, but please don't tell me they're just issues. There's nothing wrong about my pride. Just protecting me from your lies, 'cause I won't buy it. I won't. I've been waiting for so long. Sure, I got my issues, but please don't tell me they're just issues.
Hi guys! We are currently in a very aesthetic cafe and order lang kami ng mga coffee ni Myrna. And today, mag-a-attempt na kami. Well, hindi na pala attempt kasi binili na namin na tikman yung egg coffee. So ito. Actually, nahalo na siya ni Myrna. Pero basically, yung nasa pinakataas niya is parang egg custard something, parang cream, and then it has espresso and all. So, titikman ko. Tikman natin. Actually, masarap siya. Ano siya? Medyo may pagkalasang caramel na nga eh. Feeling ko kasi nag-complement yung lasa ng yung bitterness ng coffee. And at the same time, yung egg cream na ginawa nila, which medyo may pagkahawig siya sa lasa ng leche flan. Parang ganun yung lasa niya, guys. So, parang medyo may pagka-burnt na caramelly yung lasa ng coffee. So, I actually really like it. Akala ko kasi parang malansa or whatever dahil may egg na. Pero, yun, overall, it's really good. The other coffee that we ordered is coconut coffee. So, na-try naman na natin yun, di ba? Nung first day natin here in Vietnam. Really, really beautiful. It is Morocco-inspired, yung kanilang itsura here.
I swear to you now, what do you want, baby? I'm losing sleep thinking of you, baby. You got me weak in the head. Don't wanna fuck if it's not anything. I don't wanna hurt you, baby. We could think of something, baby. But please don't wait around me. Wait around me. Wait around me, boy. I don't wanna.
Hey, you need one mix number one. Okay. Đây này.
You buy, you buy.
Chip kìa, chip. Đây này.
Cheap lady.
160, 150. Bye bye. 150. 150.
Ayo mamun
Đây coffee, okay?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Picture.
Okay, there. She gave us a lot of discount. Thank you so much.
This is her store. Thank you. Thank you again.
Barbecue seafood, I'm cooking hot pot. You can sit here with your friends. Sit here and order everywhere. Yeah, 3 small train for you, 2 big size. You look very big. And small size train for you, big size here, big size. And give for you for one. Everything, I'm free.
So, nandito kami ni Mirna sa Sontra Night Market. Ayan. At umorder na kami ng mga foodums. Ayan. So, ito yung kasama mga pa-freebie dun sa in-order namin. Ang in-order namin ni Mirna ay 3 pirasong lobster. Tapos may kasama pa siyang ano kasama nun? Para may shrimp. Tapos meron din siyang squid. O octopus ba yun? Basta yun. Tapos iluluto na. Para siyang ano. Yung feels dito guys, para siyang dampa. Para siyang ganun. So pipili ka ng mga mga seafood. Tapos lulutuin nila.
Pero fixed price na.
Pero fixed price na siya. So yung kinuha namin, since dalawa lang naman kami ni Mirna, is yung 500,000 dong. So equivalent sa atin, times 2 na lang. So mga 1,000 ganyan. So kaya rin na yun, since kami dalawa naman yung kakain. And for the the actual seafood, diba? Lobster, maharlika. So dito, parang makaano ka na, tawag dito, makabili ka na ng 500 pesos each. Kami dalawa, kasi technically. Oo, 3 piraso pa yun guys. So hindi pa kasi kami nakakatikim ng lobster. So kaya try namin dito. So ngayon, we're tasting yung freebie nga. Yung sa freebie nila, ang kasama niya is oyster. Meron din nung, scallops. At saka yung razor something clam. Nakalimutan ko eh. So, inihaw lang siya. In fairness naman, masarap siya. Medyo smoky yung lasa niya. So, ayun. Hopefully, hindi kami ma-food poison dito. Siyempre, mga sipon-sipon yung kakainin ng mga akla, diba? So, ayun. So, pakita ko sa inyo later pag dumating na yung iba pa namin mga in-order. Guys, eto na yung kasama din doon. Basta sinabi ko kasi doon sa ate girl, go na. Kung lahat ng meal na meron siya, ihain na niya sa amin. Lahat ng mga luto para matikman din namin. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano to, pero hot pot daw. Pero mukha siyang sinigang. Pero parang, bakit parang may pineapple? Ayan o. Parang may pineapple. So, ayan. Tikman natin. Okay, so ito na guys. Titikman ko na. Naglagay muna ako ng konti ng sabaw ng ating hot pot para tingnan natin yung lasa. Honest ako, alam nyo naman guys, nagluluto ako, diba? So, syempre, medyo maarte ako talaga sa foodams. I'm willing naman na mag-try ng iba't ibang ano, pero naguguluhan ako. Parang hindi ako nasasarapan. Parang, yun nga, parang naguguluhan yung palasa ko sa kanya. Kasi parang hindi yun yung ina-expect ko. Ina-expect ko kasi parang lasang sinig. Pero may kakaibang lasa siya. Hindi ko ma-distinguish kung ano. Parang feeling ko may nilagay sila na spice na hindi siya ganun ka-familiar sa atin ng mga Filipinos. So, ayun, medyo fail yung ano, yung sabaw. Pero syempre kakainin namin yung mga seafood. Kaya lang naman. Pero yung sabaw parang so-so. It's not the best. Mas gusto ko pa rin yung sabaw ng ibang ano nila dito, ibang dishes nila dito. Dito na yung aming lobster. And tinikman na siya ni Mirna. Kamusta naman?
Masarap naman. Fresh.
Anong lasa? Fresh.
Manghang. Yung panlasa ko.
Fresh lumpia.
Fresh lumpia lang. Ang peg. Ganyan.
Pero ano naman no, hindi siya yung rubbery. Para
Hindi.
siyang ano. Saan mo siya mako-compare? Na natikman mo na ano, na seafood? Hipon. Oo, sa bagay kasi ano naman siya, oo, parang ka-family naman siya. are currently here at another beautiful cafe in Da Nang, Vietnam. We are here at Wind Garden Cafe. So kasama ko of course, syempre si Myrna pa din. And super ganda ng itong place ito. May mga paisda. Ang hilig sa isda, di ba? And then today, ang in-order lang namin, actually nag-juice ako kasi sobrang init. So, kalimutan ko paano to. Basta orange to eh. Orange juice something. And si Myrna, syempre, yung favorite niya na salt coffee. So, ayun. Yung pricing dito, medyo more expensive siya compared sa ano. Medyo mas expensive siya ng onte. Compared, ano ba yun? Nagulta ko yung mga isda. Compared doon sa kahapon, yun sa Ngo Kuo na Moroccan-inspired naman na cafe. Pero, I think the ambience and the aesthetic of the cafe naman makes up for it, kaya siguro medyo mas mahal siya. Sobrang chill dito, guys. Hi everyone! So we are currently here sa beach area and ayan, you can see naman sobrang daming tao at the moment. Naglalakad lang kami ni Myrna. This is our last day actually, last full day I mean, kasi tomorrow na yung flight namin pabalik na Manila. Kasi namin ni Myrna, sobrang daming tao pag afternoon. Oo, nakita ko naman siya. Mabibidyo na naman yung nalaglag ako. Nadulas ako. Anyway, ayun nga, napansin namin guys na kapag kahapon, nagkukumpulan sila dito. Compared nung nag-swimming kami nung morning. Nung morning, may mga tao din naman, pero hindi ganito kadami. So, pakita ko sila sa inyo guys. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba sila? Napakadami, diba? Take a look. Ayan sila. Naglabasan sila lahat ngayon. Tapos, isa pa palang napansin namin, walang sunset. Sayang, kasi in fairness naman kahit maraming tao sa beach, maganda yung beach nila. Pero yun nga, walang sunset.